Let's take a look at problem number 4. This is using properties of logs. And this is fourth type, I guess I should say. This is 4 separate problems here. Take a look at our first one. We got log of x to the third y over z to the fourth square root of w. Well, we want to write this as separate logs. We have to look for the main things happening in this problem, and that's division. We got something on top divided by something on the bottom. Well, division becomes subtraction, so this becomes log x to the third y minus log z to the fourth. And I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the square root of w as w to the 1/2. Now look at my first log here. We got the main thing happening is multiplication. X to the third times y. Well, multiplication becomes addition. So this is log x to the third plus log y minus, and I'm going to put a parentheses here because as we rewrite this log, this negative has to affect everything to its right. And the main thing happening here is multiplication. Z to the fourth times w to the 1/2. So multiplication becomes addition. So we got log z to the fourth plus log log w to the 1/2. Okay. Now we got a property says you can take your power and put it out in front. So we got 3 log x plus log y minus, again this negative here is going to flip the sign of everything. Flip the sign of that and flip the sign of that. Now the 4 I'll put out in front, so minus 4 log z minus, and this 1/2 I'll put out in front, 1/2 log w. And that's our answer for the first problem. Now let's look at our second problem. We got log base 9. Oops, I'm lying to you. Eyes are bad. It's the 9th root of x squared y to the third. Well, we know we don't like radicals at all when we're dealing with logs, so we're going to rewrite it. This will be x squared y to the third to the 1/9 power. Again, whatever number's in this little slot here, that's your index, goes in your denominator. Now, the main thing happening here is we're taking everything to the 1/9 power. So I can take the 1/9 and put it out in front. And then that gives log x squared over y to the third. Well, now the main thing happening is division. And division becomes subtraction. And we have to keep that 1/9 out in front of all the logs. So that gives us 1/9 log x squared minus 1/9 log y to the third. Well, the x and y are just about by themselves, so I'll take the 2 and put it out in front. So we've got 2 times 1/9, which gives us 2/9 log x minus, and take the 3 and put it out in front, and we got minus 3/9 log y, which gives us 2/9 log x minus 3/9 reduces to 1/3 log y. And that's our answer. Let's look at our third problem. We got 5 log x minus 7 log y plus 3 log z. And we want to condense these. Well, before we can use any of our properties, we have to get rid of numbers in front of the logs. So I'll take these and put them as a power. So we have log x to the fifth minus log y to the 7th plus log z to the third. Then basically we're going to do them as we encounter from left to right. Our first one is log of something minus log of something. Subtraction becomes division. So this is log x to the fifth over y to the 7th plus log z to the third. Well, now we have log of something plus log of something. Addition becomes multiplication. So I got log x to the fifth, z to the third over y to the 7th. When you multiply these together, you can always put the z to the third over 1, and then you multiply top parts together and bottom parts together, and you get this. Last example. We got 3 log x minus 1 plus 4 log x minus 7 log x plus 2. Now again, we can't use any of our addition or subtraction, converting to multiplication and division, unless there's no number in front of the logs. So that's our first thing. Put them as a power. So we have log of x minus 1 to the third plus log x to the fourth minus log x plus 2 to the seventh. Well, my first one is log of something plus log of something. Well, addition becomes multiplication. So this is log of x to the fourth times x minus 1 to the third. And this carries down. And now we have log of something minus log of something. Subtraction becomes division. So it's going to be log of x to the fourth, x minus 1 to the third, all over x plus 2 to the seventh. And that's our answer.